SkyTech Oracle X Gaming Desktop RTX 2060 version. Reviewed discount unbox and setup. When I had ordered this PC, there were a few errors with it causing me to not be able to use it or log in. I contacted customer service and they were quick on the ball to help fix this error. Once it was fixed, this gaming PC is perfect for someone in the market for a pre-built PC. This machine is super fast at boot up and launching programs. Little to no noise from it, and again, this gaming setup is worth it. So far this PC is working great and I've yet to have issues technically at all. Any game I try can easily be put on the max setting. Granted, the most graphically intensive game I've played so far is Assassin's Creed Odyssey, and maintains 60 FPS minimum. It never gets too hot even with the fans running on low while in the middle of any game I play. The only complaint I have honestly is the ports on the top don't grip as much as I would like, so some USBs can fall out easily if you move them too much. Overall, I'm loving my experience and I imagine I will continue to do so. I very much recommend this PC and would have made the rating 4.5 if it would let me. Special discounts on product. Get the discount link in the description box.